Welcome back to the channel. I've just done a review on the Nearstream transmitter receiver set that I was gifted. Now I'm going to do a little review on a product which I bought out of my own pocket. This product, I'll tell you what, it's nothing often impresses me, but this product was well impressed the other day. If you watched my live the other evening, if you made it to the live, I did the St Patrick's Day live in 2025 on Monday night. My laptop was playing up, my microphones were playing up and stuff like that. I just ordered off Amazon this little gadget. I saw some promoted on Facebook, but it was by a different company, a little bit dearer. But I found this one off Amazon, took a little punt at it. I think it's about £24. There'll be a link below, and it'll be an affiliated link. I will earn a few pence out of it. But honestly, it's one of the best products I've bought for ages. If you're into filming with your mobile phone, it's basically a mobile phone bracket. Very, very simple, but it's well made. Aluminium, some clamps. I'll show you in a minute. But it saved my bacon on Monday night because I used it on a little tripod, and it really, really worked out well. It can do portrait landscape orientation as well. So I'm going to take it down below on the table. I've got it down below me there. First of all, I just want to show you it's Arca Swiss, so it's only really usable. I think actually, tell you what, I think it's got 3/8 UNC thread in the bottom of it. Just double check that. I think it has. So I think you can put it on a standard tripod mount as well. But I use all Arca Swiss. If you don't know what Arca Swiss is, it's a mounting system which is quite common, and it's like a universal system. I'll spin the camera around now and show you that first, and then I'll show you the little mount I'm talking about. So let's have a little look. So here's the tripod I use quite a lot of. This is the Manfrotto B3 tripod. I love this little tripod. This is the older model. Unfortunately, it has got the tilting arm, but the head I bought was a Manfrotto head with a Arca Swiss Arca mount there, which is basically it's a way of clamping. Quickly, it's clamping. I've got an old tripod here I dug out. Another old Manfrotto tripod. Not brilliant this one, but I did have this bar was broken. I managed to get some spare parts. Because it's Manfrotto, you can get spare bits and pieces. I've got a cheap ball head on there. Again, Arca Swiss. So you just literally release that, and you just slide stuff in and out there. I've got a cage with this particular camera, and the Arca Swiss mount there, and it just literally slides in, like so. Now here's a little gadget I was going to show you. I just reviewed this, so put that away. This, my new phone came through the other day, which is fantastic. It saved my life when I did a live the other night, and this is what I bought. Small rig tripod there, which is a nice little tripod. Again, I've got the Arca Swiss mount on that, but this mount here is brilliant. Let me just show you. Honestly, highly recommend this product, and I don't say that often with products. I'll just take this off this small rig tripod. Lovely little tripod, a little bit heavy, but it's quality, that small rig tripod. If you're into tripods, but anyway, yeah, it has got, yeah, it's got two threads there. I'm not sure which size they are, but they're obviously standard mounts. So you've got two threaded holes there. Actually, I'm assuming that's two screws there to hold that on. There's a thread there and a thread there. I'm not sure which one's which, but they're both for tripods, I'd imagine. Then you've got, let's turn it round, it's made by Leaplumin or something like that. Leaplumin. It's made of like aluminium. It's anodised. It feels like it's anodised. This knob here is aluminium and anodised. Lock, unlock. You simply unlock that. Rotate it any way you want. Right. So you've got landscape. Is that right? Yeah. Then portrait for your phone, for your mobile phone. It's padded there, padded there, padded in there. This just locks, and you can also go up. You can't go down. You can only go that far down, but it doesn't matter because obviously you tilt your tripod down a little bit. But you can. You got a slot there, so you can loosen it up and go up like that. Aluminium. Oh, you've even got mounts on the side there. What they call cold shoe mount. I do believe they're cold shoe mounts. So you could mount your a light on there, or an adapter, a light, extension piece. You could mount on there the microphone that I showed you in one of my other videos, wireless mic setup or receiver or whatever. Aluminium. It is a well quality piece of kit, honestly, for the money. And there's no spring loaded or anything. It's not one of these silly pull out ones. I bought a Manfrotto one a while ago, which, to be honest with you, wasn't that good, considering it's Manfrotto. But this, look at this. All right. Two steel bars there with the threaded piece there. This is, again, aluminium anodised. Same this side. But you can literally, the only thing is they don't pull out the same, they go at the same time. They don't, you can have one, you can have it offset if you want, which is, it doesn't really matter. But if I just lock that up, you can sort of have them offset. But if you mount your phone in there, honestly, it's a lovely, lovely bit of kit. I've got a big case here, a big phone. It's the new Samsung 25 S25 Plus. So I can undo that, and you'll see that fits in there. Absolutely beautiful. Right, let me just turn it round. My carpy green case. You see the one it fits in? And you can nip that up. I nip that up. Honestly. And you got, let's say, you got a mount there. A mount there. Now that's tight. You can do that as tight as you want. There's no silly springs or anything. You can do it as tight as you want if you've got a case. Look at that. Alright. And the height wise, I mean, you can put that phone where you want, up and down in the mount, obviously, but you can Arca Swiss mount as well, so you can just literally, I'll show you on this small rig tripod. You can just literally put it into there. If you know anything about Arca Swiss, you slide it in, and then you nip up that. Absolutely brilliant. Just tip that round if I want. I can put that in that mode, or I can tip it around that mode. Look at that. I love it. Absolutely love it. The only sad thing is the company never sent me this for free. I actually bought this out of my own pocket, but honestly, this is absolutely worth every penny. I think it was about £24–25. But as I say, look at the quality of that. If you're into Arca Swiss, but it does fit tripods, standard tripods with a screw thread. I suppose the only negative would be that it's aluminium, so it's a little bit heavier than plastic. But that's going to last you a lifetime, an absolute lifetime. And so I'm not affiliated to this company at all. There was another couple of companies like sending me adverts for them on Facebook and stuff. But I'm so impressed with that, and I used that the other day on a tripod, a full-length tripod, doing my live, and it was bloody brilliant. It really is a good bit of kit. Yeah, so if you're in the market for a mobile phone clamp or holder tripod type mount, that is absolutely awesome. Get yourself one. Use the link below. I'll get a couple of quid out of it. But if you don't, you don't. Yeah, the small rig tripod, that's pretty good as well. I don't use that a lot. It's a little bit heavyish, but I'm probably going to use it a little bit more. Now I've got this fantastic mount, right? As I said, I have got the Manfrotto little plastic clampy one that they do, because Manfrotto is meant to be a brilliant make. All my gear is Manfrotto, or small rig. But it's not brilliant. It's plasticky, it's a little clippy. I used it the other day. This came through just at the right time from Amazon. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Spin that round any way you want. Lock it up. Honestly, I'm well excited. I was well pleased, and I don't get very pleased that often with bits and pieces like that. I do engineering work and 3D printing and stuff and designing, and this is really well. Oh look, I just noticed they're threaded holes as well. These threaded holes. See, there's 3 holes there, 3 holes there. They're not just for lightning, because obviously you put stuff in. I don't know if you know, but you put stuff in parts. It's called lightning holes. It just makes the stuff lighter, so it's a lightning pocket there. But these holes have actually got a thread. They're threaded. I'm not sure what size, but if you want to put some sort of mount or clamp on there or something, or battery pack, you can do that as well. Honestly, have a little look. I'll just give you a little close up there. If you fancy my phone case for S25 Plus as well, that's not a bad little case. I'll put a link below to that as well. And the small rig tripod. Lovely little setup. Thank you for watching. If you like this video or any of my other videos, please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up at least. Just subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.